Okay, so, paraffin. So, 8 to 10 daw dapat. Tapos, 8 to 10 yung dips. Okay, tapos dapat parang sliding yung motion. Indicated to for RA, pero dapat hindi exacerbation phase, CTS, basically distal extremity. So, pwede rin sa foot. Okay, so like this. So, i-guide mo lang yung hand ng patient mo. Oo, pates mo muna yung heat. Okay. Tapos, since okay na, i-ano mo lang, i-guide mo lang. Yan. Tapos, masyado daw mainit, so parang hayaan mo muna. Okay. Wow. Okay, so kunyari naka 8 to 10 dips na, ipapatong mo na sa wax paper. Okay, tapos i-close mo. Go. With assistance from Aceron. Dapat white yung towel ah. Go. Go. Then use the Velcro to secure. Yung rough. O, go lang. Okay, so kunyari na ano niya na ng Velcro, ipastay mo lang muna ng ilang minutes? 20 minutes. Okay, so kunyari 20 minutes is done, aalisin mo na. Go. Ayan, i-slide off mo. Alisin mo yung Velcro, then slide off. Slide off mo yung, alisin mo yung Velcro. Then, slide off yung towel wax paper. Oo. Ayan. And then, open mo ulit. Open. Tapos, check mo yung skin integrity. Then, as yon, ipagawa ka ng ball with the wax. Yan. Okay, so contraindications would be the same for HMP. So, mga malignancy, yun. Okay.